This is Jeff from Unbird. I'm going to show you how to create a Slack alert. So first you need a data set from which the alert comes. So I'm going to click this button and create a data set. I'm going to use Instagram iOS reviews just for an example, but you could do it with sort of any data set that automatically pulls data from a source. So I created this data set. I'm going to rename it as iOS reviews. Then I'm going to select alerts here on the left hand side. Select create a new alert. I'm going to select the data set, which is Instagram iOS. Select the theme. So you can choose alerts to come from a specific theme or all entries. So that's what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say none, all entries. So that means alerts will come from every single new Instagram iOS review. And then you can select the frequency here. You can get immediately, daily digest, or weekly digest. I'm going to select immediately, and then I'm going to select Slack, and then select the workspace. Now, if you haven't authenticated a workspace, there's two ways to do it. One is it kind of forces you to do it in this flow if you check Slack, or you can create a Slack data set. But either one, basically you have to authenticate your workspace. It's pretty straightforward to do. Once you've done that, you can select the workspace, then select the channel that you want the alerts to come into. So I'm going to select general, and then once I click create, the alert is now active. So you can remove it and edit it also, but basically now any new Instagram iOS reviews that come through as they're pulled will be posted to the general channel in Slack that I just created. Thanks for watching. Thanks.